Today I just wanted to give a quick demonstration of our Chess bot chess application and show you the model and show running it in Verifier and in generated code. So on the screen here I have the system diagram. This model consists of two high-level components, the main component being the chess engine component, and then the Chess component, which represents the lichess.org chess platform, which I have up over here. And they're connected via the Lichess public API. So the engine is a modeled component, and the Lichess component is a handwritten Java component that represents that API connection. So within the engine component, we have the game class, the active game class, which represents the basic life cycle of a game on Lichess. And you can see it starts by being created, and then it either goes to being our turn, that is the bot's turn, or their turn, the player's turn. And we go through the cycle of playing moves and waiting for our turn until we get a game over state. So let me go ahead and start this in Verifier. You can see I have my two components running, and the Lichess component is marked as realized. I've connected to the API and I'm waiting for events. So I can open up my Session Explorer here and look at the active game class. I currently have no instances of active game. I pull up Lichess and challenge my bot. I get a new game here, and you can see that I've populated an instance of the active game. So it's their turn, that is the player on Lichess, and the bot is playing the black pieces, so it says color black there. And I'm going to go ahead and select this instance and put it in the spotlight. And then if I go to the state diagram, resize it, you can see that the state that's active is highlighted. I'll go ahead and expand this. And you can see it's on the their turn state, so it's waiting for me as the human player to play. So I'll go ahead and play a move. And you can see, let's see here, turn off this. You can see as I'm playing this game, it transitions through the cycle of thinking for a moment about the move, playing the move, and then back to waiting on the human player to play. If I go into this state action here, you can see the logic for choosing the move is very simple. I'm using an external activity to get the list of legal moves, and then I'm just using the current timestamp to choose a random move and playing the random move. So if I keep playing here, you can see that my chess bot is not very intelligent. It just allows me to take pieces and do whatever I want, essentially. And there, when you see I checkmate him, it goes to the game over state. So um, um, this particular game is completed, and I can play another one. So let me go back to the model, and I'll restore this. And you can see as we were going along, we were getting some output about the moves. I can go into the game state over here in Verifier and see all of the moves that were played. So I'll go ahead and stop this and then open up a new terminal window. And if I go to the root of the repository, I can generate code for this project. Okay, then head back to Bridgepoint, and in the Java view, I can see my generated code here for the application. This is the generated Java code, and I can run my Java application, and it has the same output, and I can once again challenge the spot, and it continues to play just like normal. Go ahead and resign. So that was just a quick overview of the application, how it works, and showing it running in Verifier and in generated Java code.